In this video, we'll learn how to create tariff groups and define rental charges. Click Rental link in the left navigation panel. Select Tariff. On the right panel, all defined tariff groups will be shown. Click the button Create New Tariff Groups on right top corner. Enter the details to create new tariff group. Select any car picture and upload it to. Enter title. Enter subtitle. Choose the picture of sample vehicle of this tariff group by clicking button Choose File. Next 4 fields are for entering the accuracy codes. Enter passenger capacity, small bags capacity, large bags capacity, any notes in the notes box. The only title is the compulsory field. Remaining all fields are optional. Now define tariff for tariff groups. Select the tariff group for which you want to define tariff. Click Actions button and select Tariff option. By default, the system will show daily rental type. You can define the daily tariff of this tariff group. Click the Add button to define a tariff row. For example, from day 1st to day 10th, per day rate, let's say it's $100. Make another slot by clicking the Add button. From day 11th to day 20th, per day rate, let's say $70. From day 21st to 30th, per day rate, let's say is $50. Weekend rental charges. You can define weekend and hourly rates too, depending on your business requirements. Protections. Here you can define the charges of collision damage waiver, CDW, and personal accident insurance, PAI. Here is an example: from day 1st to day 30th, rate per day is $10 and excess charges is $500 in case of incident. Add another slot by clicking the plus button. Values are from day 1st to day 30th, per day rate is $20 and in the excess charges in case of an incident, there will be no charge. You can define the charges as per your requirements and the same process would be followed for PAI. Now the mileage. Here you can define the charges for extra mileage. For example, option number 1. From day 1st to day 30th, allowed mileage is 200 km per day as per the agreement, so does not involve any extra charges. But if the customer exceeds this limit, he will have to pay excess charges $3 per kilometer. Option number 2. From day 1st to day 30th, allowed mileage is 300 km per day provided the customer pays $20 per day on top of rental charges. But if the customer exceeds this limit also, then he will have to pay excess charges $2 per kilometer. Option number 3. From day 1st to day 30th, allowed mileage is 400 km per day provided the customer pays $30 per day on top of rental charges. But if the customer exceeds this limit also, then he will have to pay excess charges $1 per kilometer. That is how you can define the charges for the mileage limits over here in this section. Extras. Here you can define the charges for extras such as fuel, baby seat, and GPS, etc. You can add the extra items from the settings. Now press the Save button. Now the tariff is created and the charges are defined. Once your tariff group is defined, in navigation panel go to the Fleet section and select Vehicle. Now you can start entering your fleet into the system. Click the button Create New Vehicle on right top corner. Enter the details to create a new vehicle. Link the tariff group with the vehicle. And now press the Save button. Now the tariff group is linked with the vehicle. Now the defined charges will automatically appear when you make a new booking or new agreement. In the navigation panel, go to the rental section and select Agreement. Click the button Open Agreement. If you increase the run right top corner, select Date and Time. Select Return Date and Time. Select the vehicle by searching for the plate number, or you can search the vehicle by clicking the search button. Select the tariff group and click the search button. It will search all the available vehicles ready to be hired in that tariff group. Now you can see the rental charges defined in that tariff group. If you increase the rental period, you will observe that per day charges will change as well. The system counts the days of the rental agreement and applies the charges. This is how you create your tariff group and define charges. For more information, visit our website www.speeditasystems.com or email at info@speedita.